Hello friends, very good evening. I hope you all are good today. Welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are going to start our 7th paper, which is learning and teaching. So from this book, today we will discuss about unit 1. Okay, so let's start the unit. So the question will come, explain the concept of learning, types of learning, and factors influencing learning. This will come, friends, in a long question. Okay, and for short question, it will ask like explain the concept of learning, and it may be asked sometimes explain the concept of learning and also its type. Okay, friends. So let's see what is learning. So friends, what do you understand by learning? So basically we understand that learning means to learn something, to acquire something, to acquire some knowledge, कुछ सीखना. That is known as learning. Okay. So here see, learning means to learn something. Learning means to learn something. It is an important phase of human life. So ये क्या है? एक important phase है, एक important part है हमारे human life का. Okay. Learning is the continuous process happening throughout the life of human beings. So friends, learning is a continuous process. Okay, so from birth to death we learn many things. Yes or no? Yes. So it is growth in the adaptation of behavior to a wide variety of situations and circumstances. So friends, it is a wide variety of situation and circumstances that we adapt in our behavior. First we learn things and after that we use it in our behavior. Yes or no? Next, see, learning takes place on 3 phases or 3 places. Learning takes place on 3 places. First, cognitive, second, affective, and third, psychomotor. So friends, what is cognitive? Cognitive, that is relates with the part of mental function. Okay. Next, affective. Affective is related with feelings and emotions. And the last one is psychomotor. That is behavior or physical movements. Okay. So these are the phases through which we acquire knowledge. We learn things by emotions, by our behavior or mental functions used for learning. Okay. Now we will see the definition of learning. So learning has been defined in several ways. So many educationists or philosophers are there who have given different types of definitions. Okay. So according to Gate, learning is modification of behavior through experience. So what is learning? Learning is modification of behavior through experience. So friends, as we experience things, our behavior changes. Yes or no? जैसे जैसे हम नया नया नॉलेज को एक्वायर करने लगते हैं, उसी तरह से हमारा जो बिहेवियर है उसमें भी चेंजेस आने लगता है. And next, according to Crow and Crow, learning involves the acquisition of knowledge, habits and attitudes. Okay friends, next we will discuss the characteristics of learning. So what are the characteristics of learning? That learning is growth, learning is continuous, learning is purposeful, learning is need based. Why we learn? Because we need that. Okay. The learning is adjustment, learning is active, learning is universal, then learning is progressive change in behavior. So friends, these are the characteristics of learning. I hope you are understanding friends. Next, we will discuss principles of learning. So friends, see what are the principles of learning. So first see, learning is a fundamental process. Learning is a fundamental process of life. Without it, life cannot exist and no progress can take place. So friends, if we will not learn anything, we can't see progress in our behavior in our life. Okay friends, जैसे कि अभी अगर पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो तो नहीं सीख पाओगे ना बच्चों को कैसे हैंडल करना है, किस तरह से स्कूल को मैनेज करना है, क्लास को किस तरह से मैनेज करना है, वो हम नहीं सीख सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए हमें पढ़ना पड़ता है, जिससे कि हमारा प्रोग्रेस होता है और हम अच्छा परफॉर्म भी करते हैं. यस और नो? See the next one. Next point. Learning is a continuous process. It starts from birth and continues till death. Okay. Next is, learning takes place when an organism reacts in a situation. Next, learning is the result of individual's activity. So friends, what is learning? Learning is a result of individual's activity. मतलब हमें लर्न हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, वो हम हमारा जो एक्टिविटी है उसके थ्रू हम जान पाते हैं. ओके. लर्निंग इज ए क्रिएटिव एक्सपीरियंस. Then learning can be transferred. We learn and we can transfer our learning. Okay friends. Next see, learning is total reaction of individual to a total situation. Okay. And now friends, we will discuss the types of learning. So friends, there are many types of learning. We have seen in school also. Your learning style is different, my learning style is different, others people's learning are different. Okay, so we will see now. So what are the types of learning? See, R. Gagne has classified learning into 8 types in hierarchical order. Hierarchical order means like this. Okay. So first one is signal learning. Next, SR learning, then chain learning, verbal associate learning, multiple discrimination, then learning of concepts, next learning of principles, and then problem solving. Okay friends, so now we will discuss one by one in detail. Okay, so friends, first we will discuss signal learning. So friends, what do you mean by signal? Signal means a sign, action or a sound that sends a particular message. Like friends, when in the school, after last period, when the bell rings, so students come to know that now we will go to home. So this one is signal learning. Okay, by signal we come to know a particular message. So it is commonly termed as classical conditioning, in which we learn to make a standard response to a signal. Okay, so next we will see SR learning. It is also known operant conditioning or stimuli response. Okay, in this learning we learn to change our response by discriminating between stimulus. So friends, if something hot you touch, you take back your hand from it, yes or no? Yes. So that is stimulus response. Okay, next we will see chain learning. It is the process of connecting together a number of learning responses into sequence. There are two types of chaining, motor and verbal. Okay friends, so as we learn things, we connect the learning with each other, yes or no? First we learn alphabets, and after that we join that letters and we make words. So this is called chain learning. Okay, next is verbal associate learning. So what is verbal associate learning? Memorization and retention of list of words, like for example pictures, location, etc. Next is multiple discrimination. What is multiple discrimination? It is a higher mental process and solve problems. Next is learning of concept. The ability to put objects into groups. We form concept by finding properties. Next learning is learning of principle. Principles have relationship among two or more concepts. So it is necessary to learn principles. Yes or no? Classroom learning contributes to the development of principles. The last one is problem solving. We also learn by solving problems. Okay, so it comes in highest stage in the learning process. So friends, problem solving is the highest stage in the learning process. It depends on learning of rules and abstract reasoning. Okay, when a child can solve a problem, so it will help in his learning. And if you are teaching in any school or you are teaching at home also, so give the students to solve the problems. Don't tell the answer first. Okay, let them to do it first, and after that give clues. Okay, so their mind will work properly. They will be able to solve a problem, otherwise they will depend upon you. Okay friends, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you. Next we will discuss about the factors that influencing learning. Okay friends, thank you.